Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are first time here, my name is Tim. I convert this 2008 Toyota Sienna into a minivan camper with a single bed, a place to cook. So previously I was cooking mostly with butane stove when I'm on the road, but for the last couple of weeks I upgrade my in-house battery system into a 1500 watt capability, so that way I can use induction cooktop. So let's go check out almost complete. I think it is complete, but I'm still have a little bit of decision to make. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so I add into my previous in-house battery system with a 1500 watt inverter. That way I'll be able to use my induction cooktop with it. So it is connected to a fuse before I go down to a switch. Right now it's off position. Also, I made these, what do you call these, injunction for positive and negative. That way in the future, I can add in. Right now, it's pretty simple setup. A charging controller for a solar panel. And that's it. And it hook up between, let me bring you closer. It's kind of hard to do it like this, but as you can see the wire, this is negative, positive, go into the fuse, and it go down to the switch over there, which is off, and then it come back up into the junction, and this will go to the battery on the other side. I will take you on the other side. Same thing with the negative here. This negative junction go into the negative here of the inverter, which is, see the black one right there? Yeah, that one. This one here. And then you have 4 outlet, 120 volt outlet coming out. Also, you have a USB-A outlet and a USB-C outlet. This is to connect to the remote via Ethernet cable. So one of the issues with buying off-brand inverter is documentation is horrible. And you can see on the manual there, it's only so 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. And what do we have? We have 1,500. So I guess they just throw this in there, just assuming that it will work for everything else, right? And also this remote in the documentation doesn't tell you how this remote works. But I found out this is actually have a built-in battery that you can recharge it through to the port right here, or you can hook it up straight to the Ethernet here, cable here, and that way you can control it remotely from, instead of have to turn it off and on here. And let me turn this on here. That is on. So if you turn this on, see right now it's on. Focus, there we go. So we have 13.2 volt on the battery. And you can see right here, I can actually turn it off, turn it on here, touch this. It should, so actually it won't. You know why? So you need to have this remote motor plug in order for this to read through it. So right now I have an Ethernet cable. So I'm not gonna use the Ethernet. I'm gonna use you can see right here, there's an Ethernet port right there. You can plug that up, but I'm gonna use the remote. So what you do, you remove this, plug in the remote, and then your unit should be able to read the same information. See right there? Exact information like that one. the same exact. So let me bring you to the other side, and where I temporary, actually it's permanent, but I can move this around. Before we go over there, this is the bag that comes with the inverter, with the ground cable. This white cable is for charging the remote, and the extra fuse is probably for the inside. So I said it's horrible. Documentation doesn't tell you what's what doing over there. So let's go over there and check out on this. So this is on the other side of the panel, which this is where I built a little custom-made battery tray, so it will not move at all when I'm driving. And it got strapped down too. You can see how simple the connection is. And if you wonder what's that extra cable here is for, this is for charging either charging the battery through the vehicle, which is, I'm going to put it show you on the next video, or I hook my refrigerator directly to this, so you get power from the battery. All right. So originally I was going to make a hole, install it here, but it's kind of awkward with the Ethernet cable. I might do it later on. For now, I'm just going to put a magnet right here. So you can leave it right there. You can turn the system on. I'm going to turn it off from here. You can hear the beep. That means the system is off. Actually, I just turn it back on. You can hear the fan running. So if I press it again, that will turn off the system. But with this, I can move this pretty much anywhere that have a metal that I can attach to. So it is movable. I can put another piece of magnet like this, tap it up here, or be over here. With that is my latest in-house battery system with 1280 watt hour battery and a 1500 watt output capability for AC. And if it look a little bit intimidating for some of you out there that are not DIYer, I have a solar generator kit that old pilot sent it to me that I will do some testing and then review, and I will post that next week. So I will catch you next time. All right, bye for now.